Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and I am also fine. So in our last class we have started one new chapter number 4, tick, tick, tick. So from the name also only you come to know what is the meaning. Means it is about the voice of the needle of the clock, right? Tick, tick, tick बजती है ना घड़ी. So this is the tick, tick, tick. So in our last class we have seen about the clock. So this I have clock with me. You can see I told you in the picture form we have drawn, and I told you that it has most probably 2 or 3 hands. The third hand is not given here. This one is the long hand. This hand is called minute hand, and this is the short hand. From here you come to know that long and short. So backside hand is a short hand and this one is long hand. So this hand, the long hand is called the minute hand and the short hand is called the hour hand. So, and another hand is the second hand. Second hand moves very fast. After that whose turn? After that long hand moves and then the short hand moves very slowly. So this is about the clock. And what I said you that it has numbers from 1 to 12. A clock has number from 1 to 12. So this is about the clock. If this long hand start from the 12 and again after rotating it comes back to the 12. To the 12 means it has covered 60 minutes. And 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. This also we have seen. So this is the clock, model of the clock. Now little bit information also we have seen. Then today we will start the lesson. The chapter name is Tick 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 and page number 35 of your chapter. So page 35. This one you have to have. Here on the page 35, 2 characters are given. The name of the 2 characters, one boy and one girl. Name of the girl is Sazia and name of the boy is Pamposh. So the conversation is between Sazia and Pamposh. और साजिया और पम्पोश के बीच में बातें हो रही है, right? Conversation is going on. So let's see what they said. So what Pamposh said? 5 minutes to reach school. What he said? Pamposh क्या बोल रहा है कि I have to walk 5 minutes to reach school. अगर मुझे घर को जाना है तो मुझे कितना मिनट वॉक करना पड़ेगा? I have to walk 5 minutes. Then Sazia said, but I have to walk only just 2 minutes. What Sazia said? I have to walk 2 minutes to reach the school. Pamposh said, I have to walk 5 minutes to reach the school. After listening to Sazia, again Pamposh has a question. What he said? But it is impossible, Sazia. But your house is farther than my house to the school. आपका घर मेरे घर से दूर है, यानी कि आपका घर स्कूल से दूर है और मेरा घर स्कूल से पास में है. So how can you take only 2 minutes and I take 5 minutes to reach the school? This is the conversation between Sazia and Pamposh. After that, Sazia not ready to listen. She said, I checked my watch. Watch, this is the watch. इसको watch कहते हैं, right? And this is the clock. This is the difference between. This is the watch and this is the clock. So this is the difference between watch and clock. She said, I checked my watch. मैंने मेरी watch check की हुई है. It shows I start from 7 o'clock. मैं जब 7 o'clock थी, when it was 7 o'clock at my home, the long hand is on 7 and short hand is on. The long hand is on 12 and short hand is on 7 at that time 7 o'clock. So when I start from the home, it is 7 o'clock. And when I reach to the school, it is in this way. The long hand is on 2. So Sazia said, I reach at 7:02. Right? जब 7:02 हुए थे, at that time I reached the school. And hand is on 2. So she said, it is 7:2. Then Pamposh said it's 7:10. Pamposh know how to read the clock. So he said it is 7:10. Okay, 7:10 हुए हैं. She said how? कैसे? मेरे घड़ी में तो ये हैंड कहाँ पर था? 2 पर था. तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी कि 7:02 हुए हैं. After that, Pamposh said when the minute hand moves from 12 to 10 lines, right? Then it is 7:10. You can see here from here to here the small lines are given here. If you count the line, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means it is 7, 10. Right? Then if you move forward, again you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? There is a difference between 5, 5, 5. When you add 5, 5, 5, you will get. And from here to here it is 60. Okay. यहाँ से यहाँ तक 5 मिनट. Again from here to here 5. Again here to here 5, 5, 5, 5 in this way. Okay. So, and when the long hand, another example he has given, when the long hand is on 12 and it moves 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it is 7, 5. 7:05 हुए हैं. Right? The short hand is on 7 and the long hand is on 1. So it is 7, 5. Okay. So this is about the clock. This is about the conversation between Pamposh and Sazia here. Okay. Up to here we have seen this is the conversation. All this conversation I have written here, and this is conversation between Sazia and Pamposh. Now downside given practice time. Now everyone please open your test book. See page number 36. This one practice time take out please. This one. And here this is the homework for you. Same way this one is also homework. I will discuss with you, but this is the homework for you. I hope you all are ready with the page number 36 of your test book. Page number 36. The exercise is given here. What is written here? Practice time. What is written? That is practice time. See, practice time. 3 friends read time from a clock. Clocks are given here and 3 friends. What are the name of the friend? Chiku, Bittu and Pinky. Chiku, Bittu, Pinky. Who is right? That one we have to find out. Means we have to put circle on it. So the first one here, what this clock shows, which time the clock shows. So here you can see the long hand is on 12 and short is on the 3. When the long hand is on 12 and short is on the 3, it is 3 o'clock, right? This all things you have learned previous in your class. So it is 3 o'clock. This exercise you have to do in the test book. No need to write in the notebook. Okay. After that, the second clock here. See, first of all we will find out the minute. So it is 7. It is on the 7. So 5 7s are 35. So that is 35 I will write here. Okay. Then see the shorthand. Where is the shorthand? It is in between 5 and 6. It is 5:35. So where is the 5:35? Here is the 5:35. So circle on it. Then next one. First of all see the long hand. The long hand is on 3. So 5 3s are 15. So it is 15 minutes. And the short hand is on 7. So it is 7:15. So the correct answer is 7:15. Means Pinky knows how to read the time. See, the last one is the girl, that is the Pinky. She knows how to read the correct time. So this is about page number 36 of your test book. This exercise you have to do in the test book only. Now page number 37. As I told you, this page is homework for you. So this thing you can do. Okay. Now here we will move. So what is written here? Do you like sky watching? क्या आपको sky watching पसंद है? Sky watching means in the night when the moon is there, when the stars are there, at that time do you like it to watch? If yes, then this one should interest you. तो ये सारी चीज़ें आपको क्या आएगा? Interest आएगी. So see here the first one. At what time does the sun rise at your place? Right? At your place means जहाँ पर आप रहते हो वहाँ पे सन कितने बजे राइज होता है? So here it is 6 o'clock in my town. It is 6 o'clock. So I have written 6 in the morning, or you can say 6 a.m. Okay, 6 a.m. you can write. Now here you have to draw the lines. So for the 6 o'clock the long hand should be on 12 and the short hand is on 6. So it is a 6 o'clock. This is homework for you. You have to do by yourself. Okay. Next one. When does the sun set? Right. Sun setting कब होता है? तो 6:30 in the evening. Now this 6:30 we have to show in the clock. So 30 minutes. So 5 6 are 30. So long hand should be on 6. Okay. And the short hand, that means the both hand is on 6. So it is 6:30. Now here, does the sun rise and set at the same time every day? हर दिन एक ही समय पे सन उगता और ये होता है, तो no, it is not possible. So here write down no. Then another homework for you, look at the newspaper and see the time of sunrise and sunset in the different month. Right? The one task is given here. What task? That is, every day you have to see the newspaper for a month, for 2 to 3 months continuously you have to see. और आपको ये देखना है कि हर दिन सनसेट और सनराइज एक ही समय पर होता है, राइट, फॉर द डिफरेंट मंथ. सपोज जनवरी में कब हुआ, फरवरी में कब हुआ, दैट वन वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो होमवर्क फॉर you. So page number 36 we have seen. Now this is the page number 37. Now page number 38 page number. Now you can see one picture here. What is written here? Look at the photo and guess the time at this place. This photo you have to see. First of all you have to do the guessing कि यहाँ पे कितने बजे होंगे. That one we have to find it. After doing guessing, here some instruction is given. That one we will read. What is written here? It is written, this photo was taken in Paris. This is the photo of the Paris, France. Where is Paris? Paris in the France. In Paris, the sunset after 9 PM at night during summer. कब सनसेट होता है? 9 PM, मैंने रात के 9 बजे के बाद में पेरिस में सनसेट होता है, राइट. दिस फोटो वॉज टेकन एट नाइट. और ये फ़ोटो कब की है? नाइट की फ़ोटो है. बट इन विंटर में क्या होता है? इट बिकम्स डार्क हियर बाय 4 PM इन द इवनिंग. शाम के 4 बजे से ही विंटर में क्या हो जाता है? अंधेरा शुरू हो जाता है. एंड इन द समर रात के 9 बजे सनसेट होता है. सो दिस इज द फोटो ऑफ टेकन इन पेरिस विच इज़ इन द फ्रांस. जस्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन इज गिवन हियर फॉर यू. ओके. नाउ पेज नंबर 39 ऑफ योर टेक्स्ट बुक. सी हियर अपसाइड व्हाट इज रिटन. ड्रॉ वेयर द हैंड्स विल बी. हैंड्स कहाँ पे आएंगे वो आपको ड्रॉ करना है. 20 minutes after 6 o'clock, यानी 20 minutes after. This is also homework for you, right? Then downside see. This is actually activity when the school will start. At that time we can do, but now the circumstances are like that, so we will just discuss about the activity. How long does your school assembly take? So what is the time of the school assembly, means for how much time it goes. So it is 30 minutes, right? हर दिन 30 minutes की assembly हमारे स्कूल में होती है. Then how long is your lunch break? तो lunch break कितने समय का होता है? That is 45 minutes. Now how long is your game period? तो your game period is for the 35 minutes. Then is it the same as all the other periods? So yes, as the game period means the P period is for 35, so other periods are also for the 35 minutes. Now what she said, the game period and the lunch period seems very short, aren't they? Right? हम सब बच्चों के लिए गेम पीरियड इज़ वेरी फनी पीरियड, वेरी इंथुजियास्टिक पीरियड, वेरी लविंग पीरियड, राइट. वी लाइक टू प्ले ऑन द प्ले ग्राउंड. सो द पी पीरियड इज़ मोस्ट फेवरेट पीरियड ऑफ ऑल चिल्ड्रन एंड द लंच ब्रेक इज़ ऑल्सो मोस्ट फेवरेट फॉर ऑल चिल्ड्रन. सो व्हाट शी सेड कि ये जो लंच ब्रेक है और जो गेम पीरियड है वो सब के लिए क्या है? बहुत छोटा लगता है. वो 35 मिनट से भी उसका टाइम कितना होना चाहिए? 1 hour का होना चाहिए, ऐसे वो सोचती है. Okay, so this is about the page number 39 of your test book. All these things you have to write only in the test book. Now page number 40. This is also homework for you. How many minutes can this activity take? Make a guess and then check it your home. This one you have to do at your home. कि ये चीज़ें करने के लिए कितना समय लगता है. That one we have to find out. बॉइलिंग 1 लीटर मिल्क, आपके घर पे 1 लीटर मिल्क आता है तो उस बॉयल होने में कितना समय लगता है, हाउ मेनी मिनट्स इट टेक, दैट वन वी हैव टू राइट हियर. देन फिलिंग ए बॉटल, जब आप बकेट, जब आप नहाने के लिए जाते हो, एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू सी हाउ मच टाइम इट्स टेक. आफ्टर दैट स्वीपिंग योर रूम, आपका रूम जब आप साफ करते हो तो उसको कितना समय लगता है, 20 मिनट्स, 10 मिनट्स, 15 मिनट्स, दैट वन यू हैव टू राइट हियर. ओके. देन another activity time, in 1 minute how many times can you, ये सब आप कितने मिनट में कर सकते हो. स्नैप योर फिंगर, स्नैप योर फिंगर 60 टाइम, 1 मिनट में आप अपने फिंगर कितने टाइम स्नैप कर सकते हो, दैट इज 60 टाइम. स्कीप अ रोप, रोप यानी દોયડા, 1 મિનિટમાં તમે કેટલી વાર દોયડા કૂદી શકો છો, दैट इज 30 मिनट. दिस इज रिटन बाय मी, राइट, यू हैव टू राइट बाय योर सेल्फ, अपने से आपको लिखना है देख कर. जंप अप एंड डाउन, राइट, ऊपर नीचे 1 मिनट में आप कितने बार कूद सकते हो, तो दैट इज 40 एंड 50 मिनट्स. देन ब्लिंक योर आइज, ब्लिंक योर आइज અને તમારી આંખો જે બંચાલું થાય છે ને, दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्लिंक योर आइज. सो 1 मिनट में आपकी आइज कितनी टाइम ब्लिंक होती है, तो दैट इज 80 एंड 90 टाइम. सो दिस इज अबाउट द activity. Write more such fun activities in the column, right? So we have written here. This thing you don't have to copy down from here, you have to write by your own experience, by your own experience. आप जब स्कीपिंग करते हो तो 1 मिनट में कितना टाइम स्कीप करते हो, कितनी बार તમે દોયડા કૂદો છો, that one you have to write by your own. Now here another task for you. Here is another challenge for you. आपके लिए नया चैलेंज है. हाउ लॉन्ग कैन यू, कितना समय तक आप ये कर सकते हो. स्पीक नॉन स्टॉप, कंटिन्यूअसली તમે કેટલી વાર સુધી બોલી શકો છો, दैट इज आई हैव रिटन एज पर माई साइड, दैट इज 5 मिनट्स, मैं 5 मिनट तक नॉन स्टॉप बोल सकती हूँ. स्टैंड ऑन 1 लेग, एक लेग पर आप कितने समय तक खड़ा रह सकते हो, सो आई हैव रिटन 3 मिनट्स फॉर माई सेल्फ. सिंग विदाउट ब्रेक, सो आई कैन sing without break for only 2 minutes. Okay. Then this is how long do you take it, कितने समय तक आप लेते हो. रन अ 50 मीटर रेस, अगर 50 मीटर रेस आपको दौड़ना पड़ा तो आप कितना समय लोगे, तो आई विल टेक 5 मिनट्स. कलेक्ट 50 पेबल्स फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड, अगर ग्राउंड पे बहुत सारे पेबल्स दे दिए हैं, पेबल्स એટલે નાના નાના પથ્થર આપ્યા છે અને તમારે એને કલેક્ટ કરવાના છે, તો आप कितना समय लोगे, तो 30 मिनट्स आई विल टेक. काउंट 1 to 100, अगर आपको 1 2 3 4 5 6 बोलना रहा तो हाउ मच टाइम यू विल टेक, सो आई विल टेक हियर 2 मिनट्स, राइट. सो दिस इज अबाउट द एक्टिविटी विच इज गिवन ऑन द पेज नंबर 40 ऑफ योर टेक्स्ट बुक. दिस ऑल थिंग्स you have to do by your own. All these things I have written for myself, but you have to write by yourself. Okay, do it and see the time and write the correct time. So these things you have to do by yourself, and all these things you have to write in the textbook only. Okay.